choices. This weekend, I guess with 4th of July, it's a time for us to celebrate what it means to be a people with freedom of choice. Choices about where we live, where we worship, where and how we work, how we move about. Choices. We live in an era of humanity in which it's hard for us to imagine us being fully alive and fully human without a wide range of alternatives, options, choices. But what happens when life brings something our way in which we feel cramped by circumstances we did not choose? That's what we're going to read in Scripture this week. It's Paul. He's in the jail. It's in the book of Philippians, 1st chapter. He can't go forward, he can't go backward, and yet he remains this person of unbelievable sense of power and choice. What's going on there? What does that say about our faith? We will talk about it this Sunday. You can read that 1st chapter of Philippians as preparation. I hope to see you in worship on Sunday.